Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I style my midi skirt in different ways. I'll show you summer look as well as winter look as well. This video you want to watch, then please keep on watching. Thank you. So this is the most comfortable look I'm going to show you. I style my skirt with basic tee and with sneakers. I feel like sneakers look so good with skirt. I really love them. You can wear this look kind of daytime or even in the evening time. You can go for shopping center or buying grocery or anyway. I just love this look so much. And here's the second look. I styled my skirt like a dress. I'll show you how. I just put my skirt on the top over my chest and I will style my skirt with this kind of belt. You can use any kind of belt you have. Any belt, even which one you are using for your jeans or yeah, your skirts. Just use any belt and just style your belt in the middle and it turns like a beautiful off shoulder dress. If you feel like you're not comfortable with off shoulder, just use any shrug on the top, it will look awesome. So here is look number 3. I styled my skirt as an off shoulder top. I tucked the front part inside my jeans because the fabric is very thick, so you can make it high low top, like low at the back side and your front part is inside the jeans. Or if your skirt's fabric is very thin, you can tuck it both part inside your jeans. I just added a half jacket on the top so that the back part doesn't show because the fabric is very fluffy, so I don't like to show that part. So here's the next look. I styled my skirt with full sleeve black color top. I feel like gray and black makes such a nice combination. If it's too cold, you can make this look even more stylish. You can add your coat as well. I have a black color coat. I'll show you. Just a simple black color coat. I added that coat on the top and it looked as stylish as it was looking before. I love this look so much for winter, and with boots it looks so amazing. For this look I use my gray color cardigan. I'm going to tuck it in inside the skirt. You can use any color cardigan, whatever you have. If you have oversized cardigan, it will look more stylish. I don't have the oversized one, so I'm using this cardigan right here, and this is the look number 2. And here's the next look. I'm using look number 2, but I'm adding my warm shrug on the top. And here is I'm adding my belt, which one I used in look number 2. So I'm just adding it on the top of the shrug, stuck it in, and it will look so good. You can see the difference, like it will look like you're not even wearing a skirt. It looks like you're wearing a knit dress or something. It will look so unique and stylish. You can even style this look without belt as well. It will look unique as well, but I personally like with belt. It looks so stylish. If you guys want me to make these kind of more videos, please let me know in the comment section below. I will make more these videos how I style my clothes. I hope you like this video. If you do, please let me know which one is your favorite style from all of them. Please let me know in the comment section below, and I really hope you liked it. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys.